Hi guys, this is Soki and I'm back with another recipe which is super easy to make and very delicious. Also very much in line with people who are on diet but still want something sweet to munch on. I'm not talking about those basic homemade breads but homey favorites like banana bread with simple ingredients that's probably lying on your kitchen shelf. Without further ado, let's get on with the recipe. The oven for about 10 minutes at 180 degrees Celsius. Then get yourself a medium-sized loaf pan, something like this, or if you do not have one of these, you can always use silver foils. It is super cheap and easily available. Now, lightly grease the pan with butter or vegetable oil. Me, I'm not a huge fan of butter, so I'm gonna go with vegetable oil. Next, in a large bowl, mash 4 to 5 overripe bananas. These babies that I got here are pretty small, but it's organic and it's straight out from mom's garden. Once you're done mashing those bananas, add 150 grams of all-purpose flour, 1 tablespoon of baking powder, and 1 teaspoon of baking soda. Now, in a separate bowl or measuring container, like the one I'm using right now, crack 1 egg and add about 4 tablespoons of oil and mix it well. Also, 100 ml of water to get a smooth batter while we mix it. Next, pour the egg mixture to the flour mixture and mix it just to moisten it. Then, pour the batter into the pan and pop that in a preheated oven for about 45 minutes. Once it's baked, place it on a wire rack and let it cool for about 10 minutes. And then slice it the way you want. Trust me guys, these banana bread is not just healthy but delicious, moist, and hands down the easiest recipe you can find on the internet.